welcome along to BalloonTube, and today we're going to do the Wobbly Flower bracelet. Here it is, and it just wobbles a bit. All right, and so here we go then. The base of the flower, I leave about a good 7 fingers uninflated, and if this is going to go round on an adult's wrist, you probably want to do a 3-finger fold twist, but on a child a 2-finger. So I'll go for the slightly perhaps 2.5-finger fold twist. So anyway, now you can just use push the knot through the first fold twist to secure it. You can just do 6 of these if you want, so squeeze the air, but I'm going to go for 8 and squeeze the air. You can measure them or just sort of do it by eye, just keep squeezing the balloon every time you run. That's it, that's 4, I think number 5, and I'll squeeze the air, this is number 6. Looks a bit like the lower intestines, doesn't it? I think this is number 7, I've lost count. I think that's 7, we're going to squeeze the air up through and go for 8. So, knock that down a couple of times, and then deflate. That's all a bit squeaky, wasn't it? Don't bite it with your teeth, that's terrible. Alright, so then try and straighten out a bit. This is where I'm going to have a count and make sure that I did do 8. Stop squeaking the room. Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, there's 8 there. So you've got, that's going to be your base. Alright, you see if you put it on a child that could be quite a bit smaller. Alright, so that's that. You then need to do the greenery. You can see how I can't you? Now you can get this out of 1 balloon. I might be doing it in 2 just for ease of filming here. So we're going to let a lot of this down. So you just need a 3-finger fold twist, and get the knot, push that through, and you need to squeeze the air. You're going to need 3 of these. Squeeze the air. That's the 3. Wrap the last one around a few times so it doesn't come undone, and then look at that. Now don't let go of this. If you're going to do it in 1, let the air out, and you just want a 2-finger bubble. Let's have a look, see if we can do about a 2-finger bubble. There we go, that's 2-finger bubble there. Right, so this is going to be the stem of your flower. So with this, you have to weaken this end here. Split this into 2. Oh, like he says, you're probably better off squeezing this into 2, and then I tie this into a knot. Just a soft, not too tight, otherwise it'll end up like a pinch twist. All right, so there's oh, hang on. There's 1. All right, so hopefully you can see that, and then you've got to get the other one, weaken that bit, and then squeeze it up to the end. And again, at this end, I like to, because I've tied a knot and done it that way, I like to do the same. You could just leave it if you wanted to, but there we go. So you end up with that. All right, so that's going to be the stem. Get rid of the excess, he says, as he's looking around for his scissors, because he put them elsewhere. Right, so cut the excess off both, try and keep it nice and tidy and symmetrical, and right. So what you have to do, I've got too many things I'll do up here. Right, your 3-finger fold twist. Get hold of the end of the balloon, put that in the centre, and wrap that around a couple of times. There we go. So that one sits like this. Right. You then get the other bit of your get the centre, and you're going to bring that up there like that. So that's then going to be your wobbly bits. Alright. And now the flower, try not to drop it on the floor, because if it's outside doing it on grass it might pop it. Alright. So you're going to need the 2 flowers from the 260. So I'll do about a 1.5-finger bubble, 2 of those. And then do these into pinch twists. So get the knot, wrap it around here, and then go over the top. And that gives you 2 pinch twists. Right. Squeeze here a little bit, another 1.5-finger bubble, and then you're going to tie that twist back into the 2 pinch twists. So, wrap it around. And you need two very tiny, not even 1 finger bubbles actually. So they're very tiny. Oh, hold on to them, otherwise they might come undone. There we go. Right, wrap that second twist around the pinch twist, and then you've got to take the balloon, I'm not quite sure if you can see here, you've got to take the balloon over the top of those two small bubbles to make those pinch twists. So get the rest of the balloon, go over the top, and then wrap around all the pinch twists a couple of times. You still need this for your other flower, so hold on to that. Now tie this up again and make another flower. So again, it's 2 1.5 finger bubbles. Tie the knot around the second twist over the top. There's 2 pinch twists. I'm trying to fly away today. There's your 2 pinch twists. Then you need another 1.5 finger bubble that goes into a pinch twist. And then your 2 small bubbles underneath that are not even. Oh, that's like in stereo. That done exactly the same place earlier, didn't it? There we go. So those 2 there. Wrap the balloon around, and again, where you've got it there, that goes over the top. Just flip those 2 bubbles into 2 pinch twists. You do it a couple of times, and there we go. Get rid of that. Don't use the teeth because it's terrible. Now then. Let's fold this up so you can see it, hopefully. So you should have that's your 3 petals for your flower, and underneath there's 2 pinch twists, and that's where the stem goes. Alright, so you get your flower here, and get hold of one, put it in the centre, and that's the stem around the bottom 2 pinch twists. There we go. So it sits like this, and that's underneath there, that sits on top. And do the same with the other one. And, oh, I didn't tidy this one up so it was the pinch twist all at the top there. There we go. Right, so 3 pinch twists at the top, 2 pinch twists at the bottom, and get hold of it. Wrap that around with 2 pinch twists at the bottom. And there's your wobbly flower, and you need to put that onto a bracelet. So I get a 260, just put a puff of air in it, and then generally if I tie that in a knot, hold these 2 here and tie that in another knot, right, like so. I cut that off, and for an adult that's about the right size. For a child you might want to do it a little bit smaller. So we'll cut this off. Oh, I must get some sharper scissors. And then this is going to go where the 3 green fold twists are. Put that over there. Wrap that through underneath, like so. And that goes on to and holds it alright, but as I said, that's for an adult. You might want to do it a little bit smaller. Don't do it too tight though, so that you stop their blood circulation. Alright, so there's our wobbly flower. If you could hit the subscribe button down here somewhere, or tell your friends about BalloonTube, that'd be great. And let's give this a little twirl round so you can see. And I think this design I've been making probably about 12 years, so it's quite one of my older ones. So there we go then. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you again sometime. Bye! Cheerio!